how to make photo collage on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage on your iPhone without using an app. So you won't need to download any app in order to do this. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So on your iPhone, there is no default built-in way to make a photo collage. So to make one, what I recommend doing is using a tool that I created called convertresize.com. Now, I created convertresize.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that doesn't require you to upload your photos or files to a server. So when you build a photo collage on ConvertResize, all the processing of the photo collage happens within the browser on your actual iPhone. Nothing gets uploaded to our servers, so it's very private. Check the description, I have a link down there, but once you get to ConvertResize, just scroll down and under Image Editing, select Photo Collage Builder. And then the first thing we need to do is choose the photos that we want to be in our collage. So select Choose File. They can be in your photo library or in files on your phone. I'm going to select Photo Library. Then just tap the actual photos you want to include in your collage and then select Add. Once you select Add, you'll see them here. So now that we've added our photos, we can scroll down. You'll see an example of what it looks like, but we can first choose the layout. So you can do a grid, you could do horizontal strips, vertical strips, or even freeform where you can drag and drop them and resize them however you want. So first with the grid, you could choose the column number and the gap, and then also a background for that little gap right there if you want to. Now we do have some preset sizes. So if you're posting it on Instagram, this would be the standard size for an Instagram post. We also have like Facebook post or just standard HD, Pinterest pin. With the freeform, I'll show you how that works. It'll show you the photos down here. And if you select them, you can then just pinch and zoom to change where they're going to be like that. If you want to bring anything forward or bring it back, just scroll down and you can control if it's forward, back, remove, or even reset like that. I'll be doing a grid though. And I'm just going to change the color of the background to blue. And I'm going to be doing an Instagram post. So once you're done and you're ready to download your photo collage, you can select the format. I'm going to do lossless just so it looks really good. Select download collage. And then you have two options. You can download it as a file by selecting download. But if you want to save it to your actual photo library, select view and then long press it and select save to photos. So now when we go to the Photos app on our iPhone, you can see it's right here with that blue black background. And that's how you create a photo collage without any apps. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.